I'm here again. Ciao a tutti, sono qui di nuovo. Today we're going to learn the phonics sounds of the alphabet. Oggi impariamo i suoni dell'alfabeto. Here I have the alphabet with some drawings. Qui c'ho l'alfabeto con dei disegni. I'm not a good singer, but I'm gonna try my best. Io non canto molto bene, però proverò a fare il mio meglio, ok? Voi dovete ripetere con me. A is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ball, ball. Ball. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for dog, dog. Dog. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hat, hat. Sentite l'aria. You need to feel the air. Hat. I is for igloo, Igloo. Igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. Lion. M is for monkey, monkey. Monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. Octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. Question. R is for ring, ring. Ring. S is for sun, sun. Sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. Van. W is for watch, watch. Watch. X is for box, box. Box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Yellow. Z is for zoo. Ok, adesso è quando la canto. Scusatemi. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. Choo choo. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoom, zoom. Okay, I hope you like this video with the phonics sounds of the alphabet. Provate a farlo anche voi e spero vi piaccia. You can try and make this at home. Potete provare a fare anche questo a casa. I've used a piece of a box. Ho usato un pezzo di una scatola. Ok? Questo è grande, potete farlo anche un po' più piccolo. This is big, but you can make it a little bit smaller. Ok? I send you lots of kisses. I see you next Monday and practice the alphabet sounds. Ok? Vi vedo la prossima settimana, il prossimo lunedì, e per favore praticate i suoni dell'alfabeto. Bye!